Hey guys, if you've liked this video at the end, please subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, like and share. Enjoy!
Okay, so what we're going to be doing here, we're going to be doing a blind back, and we're going to go into this space here. When you're backing into a nice wide space, all right, you got to give yourself some distance, and make sure that you are angled a little bit to the right. Okay, as you can see over here in my right mirror, I'm slightly angled. All right, you can see where I'm pointing towards. I'm pointing towards this little tree with shrubbies and all that kind of stuff. All right, so now I want this green light here. It represents the distance. Well, making sure that when I do start turning, that I'm not going to be hitting anything. So it's going to get further and further this way. So the more I back up, the closer it's getting this way to the right. So now I can see that if I do need to turn, I will have room. But again, I got to watch out for this over here. But so in just a second now, once I do start chasing, remember now when you start to chase really hard, the front of the truck will do a little bit, start getting closer here to the right. All right, so it doesn't matter where I want it in here. I just want to get back there. All right, I'm not trying to get into a specific spot. All right, but if you were to try to get into a specific spot, just get back there. Forget it. Just go back as far as you can, and then you can go ahead and readjust. All right, don't ever try to get it in one shot. Always plan. So what we're going to do here, right? We're going to go into this space here. Now, the trick is, now, we're actually not going to be angled to the right. This will be a blind back. Technically, this will be a blind setup and everything, but I won't be doing any actual blind backing in this particular blind back. I'm going to be doing straight backs. I'm going to crank my steering wheel. I'm going to get myself nice and straight. All right, so we're going to go into the exact same spot we were just in pretty much. So I'm going to just do a straight back. So I'm just going to do straight. All right, this will take, it's going to be doing a lot of pull forwards. This is more of an education on pull forwarding, understanding it, all right? So all I'm going to do the whole time when I do a pull forward, I will pull forward to the left. All right, I'll crank the steering wheel all the way to the left, pull forward, and then I'm going to finish off with another straight back. So crank it hard to the right, because you need to do this in a short distance. And stop. Okay, straighten our wheels up again, straight back. So we're going to do a straight back again. Okay, we're getting further away from these trailers here. We're never going to be cocked to the right. All right, let's do it again. All right, let's go back as far as we can. All right, let's pull forward to the left, crank it, and crank it all the way to the right again. And we have another straight back. This is ridiculous, by the way. You wouldn't actually do this, but this is just to prove to you that you don't have to blindside on a blindside back. All right, you can just focus on the straight backs. It's going to do a lot of pull forwards, but doing all your maneuvering going forward instead of reversing. All right, let's do it one small little one again. So crank it hard to the left. All right, well, I'm not going to be able to clear this area here, so let's crank it hard to the right again to straighten ourselves up in the shortest distance. All right, and let's do it again. As you can see, these red lines are getting further and further down here. Okay, so we'll stop right there. Crank it hard to the left. Now we're going to use the area over here. And let's straighten ourselves up. The whole time, my trailer is pointing more and more over here to my space. Okay, so now let's just do the straight back. A lot of work is going to get done here. We're not going to do any turning on the way back. We're just going to straighten ourselves up. Just going to keep reversing. Dead straight back. We're going to drive past our spot. Okay, hard left. Straighten ourselves up. Hard right. Get ourselves nice and straight. Okay, that's fine. Let's keep backing up. I'm not in my space. I don't care. All right, let's just do a little bit of maneuvering. If I needed to readjust, I can go all the way back and then do some forward, then pull some forwards, and then you can go into that. All right, if you have to choose between two spots, if you have to go into this spot or this spot, always go for the one away from the other trailer. Okay, but we're going to do the exact same thing. This is a little more extreme. I'm gonna try back up as much as possible without doing any turning. Maybe I think I turn once at the start. This is not a good setup and everything, but ideally what you would like to do is get into this space here and then move over into this space. But as you can see, we're pointing towards the center of this trailer. All right, so right now it's going to do a straight back. Making sure I'm not going to hit this over here. Okay, I'm just going to do a little jackknife there. As you can see, I didn't lose my tires. So we were pointing towards the center of this trailer. Now we're pointing towards the back of it. If we keep going, yes, we will hit this here. So I'm going to stop before I hit it. It kind of looks, I probably could go another 20 feet before hitting it. In this mirror here, it looks like I'm going to hit it. But so let's crank it hard to the left. All right, and then go back to the right. And now let's see what our position is. Okay, now we're pointing a little bit more towards the back, a little more. We're past the axles now. So let's do another straight back. So we go back as far as we comfortably can without getting out and looking. And we will stop before hitting it. All right, let's do it again. Hard to the left, back to the right. This is me more teaching you about pull forwards and what it does. All right, now we can see past the trailer. So now we definitely know we're not going to hit it. So we're just, I know it looks like I'm doing a lot of moving here, but I'm trying to just maintain my straight back. As you can see, I drifted a little bit to the left there. You can tell because I can't see the trailer on the side here. I can see the front of the trailer. I can see a lot of the front of the trailer. We're looking for the side of the trailer. All right, let's do it again. Let's pull forward. Go off to the left. Back to the right. Again, this is more of a pull forward demonstration than blind back. I like to turn all my blind backs into straight backs. All right, let's do it again. This is quite ridiculous, I know. Let's pull forward, go back to the right. And there we go. Let's do it one more time. Maybe 2 more times, I can't remember. I remember it was a lot. All right, let's straighten ourselves up. Now, one thing you notice as well, the axles never actually move too much. All right, the distance, every time I go back, the axles always stay in the same position. It was the front of the trailer does a lot more maneuvering. All right. Okay, let's do a straight back. Do it one more time. Straighten up again. Oh, there we go. We're actually moving over there again. All right, but sorry, let me rewind it. Okay, now we're really going to bring it over. We're going to do all the turning. And now we do a simple straight back. I know, kind of ridiculous, but this is just more to show you about the pull forward. When you're blind backing, try to do as little maneuvering if you can on the way back. Try to do as much going forward again. All right, let's just look at that again, right? Let's just speed it up a little bit, right? So reverse, pull forward. Da-dum, da-dum, da-dum. Quite ridiculous, I know, I'm aware, but it just shows you what you can do with your pull forward. Master the pull forward and the backing will be very simple. All right, I want to go back to this video again. All right, just so we can go a little bit more in the blind side into a wide space. All right, let's go ahead and do that right now. You're getting yourself pointing towards it. All right, small adjustments. See how little steering I'm doing. See the angle between the truck and the trailer? I'm trying to keep that as little as possible. All right, I have lost my trailer tires in my right mirror over here, but I can still quite see what's going on. But don't jackknife hard. Do not do a 90-degree here. All right, we're just doing slight little turning. All right, if you watch my steering wheel, you can see. All right, so we back up. See the angle? Like that's if you maintain that angle, you nearly back up all the way without even turning. All right, it's not till I get to here. So this is the hardest angle right there. Give yourself a lot of distance. Okay. A lot of time, if there was a fence here, I wouldn't hit it. Of course, I wouldn't be able to do a pull forward, but back up all the way. Oops. And if you need to adjust anything, do it here. Try not to, just back it in. Don't worry about don't worry if you're in the line or not. Get back there first, and now let's go do ahead and do a pull forward. All right. When you're backing up, always plan to do a pull forward. Don't ever try to actually do it in one shot. Okay? It's harder. All right, go ahead and just hope you get it nearby, and then you can do a pull forward and get it in one shot. Most of the time, I just do one pull forward, and it's all good. Anyway, that's all that we have for today on blind backing. Hopefully, it's educational enough for you, and please like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends and all that good stuff. Take care now. Bye-bye. So if you click on any of these links, I have some more backing videos for you, and enjoy. Bye.